Hello everyone, today we will be learning about haikus. Now, what is a haiku? A haiku is a type of Japanese poem that has been around for hundreds of years. Haikus are typically about nature, and they draw attention to the beauty in the world around us. They also follow a strict structure. They are composed of 3 lines, and in each line they have a set number of syllables. The first and last line contain 5 syllables, while the middle line contains 7 syllables. Now, let's take a look at one together. Sand scatters the beach. Waves crash on the sandy shore. Blue water shimmers. As we can see in this poem, the first and last line both have 5 syllables, while the middle line has 7 syllables in it. Let's look at some more examples of haikus. This is one by James Milstead. I look to the east as the sun set in the west, a vivid rainbow. While most haikus are about nature, that does not mean that they have to be serious. This one, for example, is quite playful. It's another one by James Milstead. He boldly approached and looked me square in the eye. Parking lot squirrel. Now it's your turn to go write a haiku. All you need is paper, some inspiration, and a little bit of creativity.